A list of foreign words, commonly used in the English language, along with their English meanings, for upcoming competitive exams. Let's start. 1. A cappella, singing without instrumental accompaniment. 2. A la mode, in fashion, served with ice cream. 3. Ad infinitum, to infinity, endlessly. 4. Amok, behaving uncontrollably and disruptively. 5. Angst, a deep feeling of anxiety or dread. 6. Apropos, with reference to, concerning. 7. Au contraire, on the contrary. 8. Au fait, having a good or detailed knowledge of something. 9. Avant-garde, new and experimental ideas, especially in the arts. 10. Avatar, an incarnation or embodiment of a person or idea. 11. Blitz, a sudden, intense military attack. 12. Bloc, a group of countries or parties with a common purpose. 13. Blitzkrieg, a swift and intense military offensive. 14. Bourgeois, middle class, typically with reference to its perceived materialistic values. 15. Bravado, a show of boldness intended to impress or intimidate. 16. Cest la vie, that's life. 17. Carpe diem, seize the day. 18. Carte blanche, complete freedom to act as one wishes. 19. Chiaroscuro, the treatment of light and shade in drawing and painting. 20. Cognoscenti, people who are considered to be well informed about a particular subject. 21. Cornucopia, an abundant supply of good things. 22. Coup d'état, a sudden, violent overthrow of an existing government. 23. Crescendo, a gradual increase in loudness. 24. Cul-de-sac, a street or passage closed at one end. 25. Curriculum vitae, a summary of one's education, qualifications, and previous experience. 26. De rigueur, required by etiquette or current fashion. 27. Déjà vu, the feeling of having already experienced something. 28. Denouement, the final resolution of a plot in a play or story. 29. Doppelganger, a non-biologically related lookalike. 30. Echelon, a level or rank in an organization, profession, or society. 31. Epitome, a person or thing that is a perfect example of a particular quality or type. 32. Ersatz, made or used as a substitute, typically an inferior one. 33. Fait accompli, something that has already happened and is irreversible. 34. Finecy, intricate and refined delicacy. 35. Graffiti, writing or drawings scribbled, scratched, or sprayed illicitly on a wall or other surface. 36. Gung-ho, overly enthusiastic or eager. 37. Habeas corpus, a legal order requiring a person under arrest to be brought before a judge. 38. Hubris, excessive pride or self-confidence. 39. Idee fix, an idea or desire that dominates the mind. 40. Intelligentsia, intellectuals or highly educated people as a group, especially when regarded as possessing culture and political influence. 41. Juggernaut, a huge, powerful, and overwhelming force. 42. Laissez-faire, a policy of letting things take their own course, without interfering. 43. Leitmotif, a recurring theme in a musical or literary composition. 44. Libido, sexual desire. 45. Macabre, disturbing and horrifying because of involvement with or depiction of death and injury. 46. Magnum opus, the most important work of an artist or writer. 47. Malice, a general feeling of discomfort, illness, or uneasiness. 48. Memento mori, an object serving as a reminder of death. 49. Métier, a field of work, occupation or profession. 50. Mien, a person's look or manner, especially one indicating their mood or character. 51. Nadir, the lowest point in the fortunes of a person or organization. 52. Nepotism, favoritism granted to relatives or friends, regardless of merit. 53. Nonchalant, feeling or appearing casually calm and relaxed. 54. Nouveau riche, people who have recently acquired wealth, typically those perceived as ostentatious or lacking in good taste. 55. Ombudsman, an official appointed to investigate individuals' complaints against a company or organization. 56. Par excellence, better or more than all others of the same kind. 57. Pariah, an outcast. 58. Per diem, for each day, daily. 59. Persona, the aspect of someone's character that is presented to or perceived by others. 60. Piquant, having a pleasantly sharp taste or appetizing flavor. 61. Piste, a ski trail or run. 62. Pro rata, in proportion. 63. Protégé, a person who is guided and supported by an older and more experienced or influential person. 64. Quixotic, extremely idealistic, unrealistic and impractical. 65. Rapport, a close and harmonious relationship. 66. Reconnaissance, military observation of a region to locate an enemy or ascertain strategic features. 67. Red herring, something, especially a clue, that is or is intended to be misleading or distracting. 68. Repertoire, a stock of plays, dances, or pieces that a company or a performer knows or is prepared to perform. 69. Resume, a brief account of a person's education, qualifications, and previous experience. 70. Schadenfreude, pleasure derived from another person's misfortune. 71. Sine qua non, an essential condition. 72. Status quo, the existing state of affairs. 73. Tête-à-tête, a private conversation between two people. 74. Terra incognita, unknown or unexplored territory. 75. Touche, used as an acknowledgement during a discussion of a good or clever point made at one's expense. 76. Tour de force, an impressive performance or achievement that has been accomplished or managed with great skill. 77. Veni, vidi, vici, I came, I saw, I conquered. 78. Verboten, forbidden, especially by an authority. 79. Vis-a-vis, in relation to, with regard to. 80. Zeitgeist, the defining spirit or mood of a particular period of history. 81. Zeitgeber, an environmental cue, such as light, that helps to regulate the biological clock in an organism.